Okay, sometimes at the end of a word, single Y makes I.
Word is ease. Cheese.
And sometimes
AI says A, and the word is what? Paid. AY says A, and the word is say. Good. EIGH says A, and the word is eight. Good. AIGH says A, and the word is
Straight.
straight. Good. AY says A, and the word is what?
Play.
Play. Good. EIGH says A, and the word is
Wait.
wait. Single E says E, and the word is what?
B.
B. Good. E blank E says E, and the word is what?
These.
These. Good.
What if your child could read fluently in 90 days? Welcome to Miss Tiffany's class, where we use a unique high-speed teaching method through rhythm. No boring drills, just engaging phonics that keeps bright minds challenged and excited. Stop scrolling and start the subscribe button right here on YouTube and visit my website to get started today. Let's make learning your child's superpower.